Let's learn Tell Me. It's choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Tell Me. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to cross your left behind your right. We're now going to do a quarter chassé, stepping your right foot to the right side, step together with your left and make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're going to step forward with our left to a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to do a half shuffle, turning over our right shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side. Step together with your right and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 walks back, step back, right, left. We're now going to do a right coaster cross. You're going to step your right foot back, step together with your left, and then cross your right over your left. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock, step your right foot to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our shuffle back, so weight is on your left. You're doing your 2 walks back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to cross our left behind our right. Step your right foot to the right side. Cross walk your left over your right. Recover back onto your right foot. We're now going to do a quarter chassé, stepping your left foot to the left side. Step together with your right and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a half shuffle, turning over your left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side. Step together with your left and make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on our right, you're crossing your left behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to rock back with our left foot, recover onto your right. You're now going to do a full turn, turning over your right shoulder. You're going to make a half turn, stepping back with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to return to 3 o'clock. We're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto your right. You're going to do a left coaster cross. Step your left foot back, step together with your right, and cross your left over your right. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right. You've just finished your half shuffle. You're going to rock back with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your step to the side. So it's side, behind, quarter chassé, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back. Walk back, back, coaster, cross, side, behind, quarter, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter chassé, half shuffle, rock back, recover, full turn, rock, recover, coaster, cross. Let's try to do some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be wall 11, so you'll be facing 6 o'clock. We're going to dance the first 10 counts of the dance and then add on the ending. So let's dance those 10 counts so that you know where it happens, and then we will talk about the ending. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your step to the side, so it's side, behind, quarter chassé, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, walk back, back. Right here, you're going to add on your ending. We're going to do a sailor quarter turn with a cross. So you're going to cross your right behind your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock, and then cross your right over your left. We're now going to do a big step to the left and slide your right foot in, and that is how we will end the dance. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps, side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left, starting with your side behind, quarter chasse, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, walk, back, coaster, cross, side, behind, quarter, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter chasse, half shuffle, rock back, recover, full turn, rock, recover, coaster, cross, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side, behind, quarter chasse, step, half pivot, half shuffle, back, walk, back, coaster, cross, side, behind, quarter, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter chasse, half shuffle, back, rock back, recover, full turn, rock, recover, coaster, cross, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. You'll dance until wall 11, where you will add on your ending after 10 counts. So now that you've learned the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. Tell me if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.